Hey guys, what's going on? This is John Lee Hilliard from JT's Vending. I don't know why my camera looking weird. Today is January 20th, 2025, and my goal is to get this posted by Tuesday or Wednesday. But as of today, we have like 49 weeks left in the year of 2020, the year of our Lord 2025. So that's about 43 days, depending on when I post this. And my goal, guys, is to give you a small plan, something to help you build a habit of consistently putting away money. So I know for the most part, you don't typically see people talking about this. They got 50, 30, 20 plans and this and this. But for those of you who grew up like me, who had nothing to do with money, didn't understand it, all I knew was to make some money, buy some stuff that I wanted, and make some more money and continue to spend until I'm satisfied. And I was never satisfied. So this video is for those of you who just want a simple plan, something to build that habit of consistently putting away money, starting off on the low end about $15 per week, on the high end about $420 a week. So this is just a simple scale that I came up with, and it's something you can Google or use your calculator and come up with. I just took the specific dollar amount multiplied by the number of working days we have in this month, this year, which is 260, 259, give or take. With those are working days left. Months, we have 49 months left in this year. So again, guys, these numbers I'm about to give you guys is just something you can take your calculator, put it into the amount of weeks we have left or how many paychecks you can calculate you'll have this week. And that's if you get paid every week, like me, or every 2 weeks, or every it's weekly, bi-weekly, annually, semi-annually, and annually. That's how it's broken down. But you can kind of fix these numbers to where whatever dollar amount you select, you put it into how it fits your schedule in your life. So with that being said, guys, let's get into this video. I truly appreciate you guys taking time out of your day to even listen to this video. You don't so much have to watch me. I'm not doing some kind of special effects and stuff like that. I'm just here to give practical information so it may can help someone in their financial journey to where I started. Like I started saving like $10 a week, and I kind of consistently did that, and I built up a habit. And then I was a natural saver anyway, but I tried to impress so many people by buying stuff that I didn't need, trying to look cool, and I went broke. So I got tired of doing that. So with that being said, let's jump into it, guys. So starting today, we have 49 months left in this year 2025, year of our Lord 2025. So if you set up to where you're doing $15 a week, I'll just use my calculator, my notes. So $15 a week per week saved up for the remainder of the year, the remaining 49 months. And all of these guys is up until the 49 months or the 259 to 60 working days we have left in 2025. You'll save $735. If you do $25 per week, saving moved over either cash or automatic withdrawal. I would recommend automatic withdrawal because you don't see it go over there. You don't see it go to a savings account that you don't want to touch or won't touch. And if you have a secondary bank account, so if you have your primary checking and savings, and then if you have a credit union account, or if you bank with Bank of America, but you have a credit union account, send that money somewhere to the savings account that you won't touch it. Have it automatic transfer over there, so you won't have to think about it. And every week, and just do it for 12 months, uh, and like do it for the next 49 weeks. Did I say 49 months earlier? We have 49 weeks left in this year. Oh, that's my dog running around. So, anyway, if I misspoke earlier, I think I did say 49 months. I meant to say 49 weeks. We have 49 weeks left in 2025, and we have 260 working days left, or 59, depending on how your time goes, Monday through Friday, left in this year. So, like I said, it's $15 per week. That'll come out to $735 at the end of the year. If you do $25 per week, that'll come out to be $1,225 at the end of the year. $50 per week comes out to be $2,450 at the end of the year. $100 per week is $4,900. $175 per week is $8,575. Now, this is with no interest, no additional funds added to it, just consistently putting up this dollar amount every week or transferring it over. $240 per week comes out to be $11,760. $360 per week comes out to be $17,640. $420 per week comes out to be $20,580 at the end of the year. So, guys, what I typically inform people to do. So, if you were like me, start off small. Dream big, start small. I always say. So, start at $15 a week, and put up, have an automatic transfer $15 a week. If you're working any extra overtime, you can always kick that overtime over there as well. That overtime pay, you know how much your overtime pay comes out to. So instead of trying to live off that overtime pay, and then when overtime is gone, you're struggling, try to live off less than what you earn and move $15 over every week. If you can do 25, do 25, 50, do 50, 100, 175, 240, 360, or 420. The goal is to build a habit of saving money. So, what I did for 4 months was I did $657 a month. Sorry, $657 a week, and that was for about four months. I think so. Yeah. Yeah, I think about 4 months. Yeah. I was trying to think of a month I started. And it came to about 10,000 $512 and some change, because I was just moving extra like when I came. But in 4 months, 600, what's it, 16 weeks? Yeah, $10,512, but it came out to like $10,512.97 because I had to go into a simple savings account, so it didn't really get much for 4 months. But it's hard to do, but you have to do something. If not, you'll consistently be broke and poor and living paycheck to paycheck. So I hope this video helped. Like I said, I gave you these numbers. I'll put these numbers in the description in the show notes. But you break down what you want to save. But the problem is you have to consistently save it. So if you set it at $10, make sure it's $10 every week. Or you can go ahead and set a direct deposit, automatic transfer from your bank checking account to your savings account, and go ahead and if you do $10 a week, do $40 every first of the month or end of the month transfer. If you start off where we started at $15, do $60 every month, transfer it over. The only reason I said per week, because a lot of people down south and in my industry, which is warehouse and distribution, we typically get paid every week. So a lot of times the hardest working people are the ones who work on the floor, who work in distribution, who work with the equipment, and they're the poorest. For the most part, they work. A lot of us are based on hourly rates, and then we base our living off the amount of overtime we can get. And that's the wrong thing to do, guys. You can save a lot of money by sticking to a budget, having a set goal, because you never know when you're going to get fired. You never know when some tragedy or financial situation is going to hit. You never know what medical things may pop up. You may get hurt. So you never know. So with putting this money up, you may end up making it to the 6 month mark, and you have $2,000 or $1,200. You may have something saved to where you can pull from, where you can use it as an emergency fund. And like I said, this video was just to give you guys something simple to do based off your pay schedule, how you get paid. And it was just my way of trying to just give some factual information and difficult things that you can do, because Proverbs 13:16 says that a wise man thinks ahead, but a foolish man does not, and even brags about it. Brags about it by saying, "Oh, you only live once," and YOLO, and I'm good. I'm young. I still got time. No, you're a lie. A fool brags about not saving and thinking ahead, but a wise man thinks ahead and plans ahead. So, guys, do better with your finances. I hope this helped. Check out the description in the show notes, and it'll have the breakdown of what I just read off. And simply just, man, I don't even know. Just your why. There you go. Your why. You have to have a solid, frustrating why to make you stick to saving money. You have to watch the people you hang around. The people that you hang around will 75%, I would say 85% of your future will be based off the people you hang around. The kind of people you hang out with, birds of a feather flock together. So if you hang around with 4 idiots, it'll be no time. You'll be idiot number 5. But if you hang around 4 people that are trying to build something and have something and building generational wealth, you'll be that 5th person trying to build generational wealth, because the people you hang around have the like mindset to not be poor and to not do things that get them in trouble, go to jail, and committing all kind of crimes just because they feel like it, guys. So be aware of that. And I know people say, well, I grew up with them. Yeah, I grew up with a lot of people. And when I started to do better with my finances and focus on what God had planned for John, I lost a lot of those people. I still love them. That don't mean I hate them. It just means that the family coming from me is more important, and the legacy that I leave for them. So, guys, have a blessed day. I hope this video helps. Au revoir. A bientôt. À la prochaine.